Alright, this is Mr. J in the STEM lab again, and just continuing where we left off on the last video. We used the align tool to kind of get this centered up, and now we're just going to push it down into our box. We're going to push the whole box into the box, and I can do that with this handle up here. That's the triangle. Over here on the right, I see how far it is from the platform. Let me just move this over a little bit, get it out of that area so you can see it. Right now it's saying it's 10 millimeters, 9 millimeters, 8 millimeters, 7 millimeters is a good minimum for making sure it's strong enough. So I'm going to just do that. That's 7 millimeters. It's still centered up. And whenever you're working on a computer, if you can repeat actions like copy and paste your objects, if you've got an object, I think I just took it out of the screen. There we go. So if I can repeat some of my actions, or automate some of my actions, I should say, some repeatable actions. There we go. I'm going to copy and paste this, my whole cube, since I need it again. Instead of recreating it from scratch, I'm going to copy it up here. It's my copy tools, paste, and some other things. My clipboard's up here. So I'm going to take my copy tool. I've got it selected already. I got to select to effect. Remember, I like it when things rhyme. It makes it easier to remember. Select to effect. And then hit copy. And then I'm going to hit paste. My paste tool is right here. Whoa. Let's zoom that back out a little bit, cowboy. Alright. Now I'm going to use my rotation tool because I want it, and I can click that right in there and I can say 90 degrees. Boom, there it goes. It makes it 90 degrees, perpendicular to my other object. Or I could do it like this. I could rotate it manually if I wanted to. Either way is fine. And I'm going to use my undo to fix it. Then click it, drag it over. Oops. That. Alright, let's see if it select to effect. Good. Alright. There it is. Now comes to finish off the whole tool. I have to select everything to affect it. So I'm going to select everything I want to group together. Now it's going to group that together, so I just grabbed a little piece of that. So I want to just select my 3 objects. I gotta select both hole tools and my object, my cube. Alright, and then I'm going to use, up here is my grouping tool. So also if you kind of hang out at one, it'll kind of show you, gives you a little tutorial there on how to use it. So that's kind of handy to know. Tells you what it does. That's kind of cool. So I'm going to redo this, but I'm going to show you how to use it. So boom, we do that. We go up here to the group tool, which is like the square and the circle put together. It groups them. Boom, and then you can see, bam. It takes everything off of there. There's our hole. So it makes clears out all that space. Now it looks like we have an upside down table. But next we'll take our text and we're going to put that in here. We're going to manipulate that, but not like that. Alright. That's it for now. Good luck.